How the Joes? How the Joes? So all the participants, are you ready? This is simple discussion and you are going to speak freely. Don't think about your mistakes. I have already told you hundreds of times that if you are thinking about your mistakes, you are not going to speak perfectly. Just speak freely. So again I am asking you, how the Joes? Are you ready? Yes, sir. Really? Yes, sir. So can we start the session? Yes, sir. Okay, I'm going to give you a very interesting topic to discuss today, everyone. And the today's topic is, what do you think? Which is better to have? Beauty or brain? Beauty or brain? Beauty or brain? Which is better to have? Let's start from this small kid. What do you think?
Sir, I think that brain is more important. If we talk about beauty, so become a beautiful, so we need a brain. If you want to become beautiful, so you will do makeup. So you will do for doing makeup, so you will have mind. So you have to use eyeliner and some things more.
Okay. So what do you prefer actually?
So I think that brain is more important.
Okay, this is small kid, he studies in 6th standard. He says that brain is better than beauty. Let's know the opinion of others. What do you think, Deepika?
I think brain is more important than beauty. If you have a brain, so you can do everything in your life. You can make your money more increase, and you can increase your business. You can give any exam if you are going to giving any exam like IPS, IAS, SI. If you are going to in a teaching field, so you have to give exam of grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. So you have to just study, and if you have a brain, so you can do it. And without beauty you can't, without a brain you can't do it. And if you have beauty, okay, so you can't give any exam, and you can't do in your life.
So you think that the people who are having brain, they are successful?
Yes, sir.
But don't you think that the people who are having beauty, they are also successful? In film industries, many actors and actresses, they are successful because they are very beautiful and handsome. What do you think?
So according to me, beauty is the most important for us because beauty is the first impression of the person. If we see many people, we can't judge their mind, but we see the beauty, then we want to talk with them. Then beauty is the first impression for us.
Beauty caused the first impression. Beauty caused the first impression. No doubt, no doubt. That's very good. Yeah, what did you want to say, Siddhi?
So beauty is more important. Without beauty, you can't face anyone person. You give to interview and first look, how I look.
Okay, how you look. But don't you think that if you don't have brain, you cannot face any interview, you cannot give any exam, you cannot do anything?
So for first time you see, you judge your on your first time.
Okay.
Judge in your behavior and
Okay.
look and beauty.
Okay, beta, my questions to you, if God has appeared before you and God is saying that you are having two options, you have to select one, beauty or brain, what would you like to select?
Sir, I select brain
Why?
because people have brain and
He can do anything.
he can do anything, and people have beauty and no brain, so
Beauty is useless.
yes.
Is it right that beauty is useless without brain? What do you think, brother?
Sir, I think that beauty is 9 days wonder only, and but the brain is very useful. It has a uses for in our whole life. It is very important because in our life we want to, if we want to do anything, sir. So firstly, brain is needed. Without brain, we can't live. We can't survive. We can't survive in this earth because as we know that many of the people have beauty, but they have no brain, so their beauty is useless, sir. As you said that beauty is useless without brain, so sir, it is correct. I think that brain is more important. Because if we want to do, if we want to achieve something in our life, so sir, firstly our brain is needed. Without brain we can't do anything, and with the help of brain we can get our beauty, because sir, there are two types of beauty, as we know, that internal beauty or external beauty. So sir, people judge by our internal beauty mostly.
Okay. My questions to you, you said that our external beauty is everything, our internal beauty is everything, but don't you think that we are attracted by our external beauty?
Sir, I think that we are attracted, but on the other hand, people it is only about the first impression. But if we are familiar to many of the people, so they will only judge with our internal beauty, because they will talk with us, and they will judge our the way that how we speak.
Now tell me, in future when you are going to get married, would you like to marry with a girl who is ugly?
Sir, it is only about the marry, but on the other hand, sir, we have to survive our whole life. So, sir, brain is firstly needed, because
Brain is firstly needed, but don't tell me, would you marry with the girl who is ugly? Tell me, yes and no.
no, sir, but
You are not going to marry with the girl who is ugly, so how you can say that brain is everything?
sir, but sir, it will depend on the situation that has she internal beauty or external beauty. Sir, I will judge internal beauty, not external beauty.
You will not judge external beauty. So you are going to marry with the girl who is ugly.
Yeah, yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah. Now all these students are laughing while listening your answer. Okay, let's know the opinion of her. Yeah, what do you think?
Sir, I think brain is more important than beauty, because without brain we cannot doing anything.
Yeah.
And beauty is not all stay all time. You
Okay. Tell me, to look beautiful, don't you apply any makeup?
no sir.
You don't apply any makeup. You don't believe in makeup. So when we go in wedding, why do we apply makeup? To look beautiful now.
Yes sir.
Means we give priority to beauty.
Yes sir.
So don't you think beauty is everything?
Yes sir, because without Abdul Kalam Azad, not beautiful, but he
Yeah, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he was such a handsome guy. I would say he was internally very handsome. He has a great heart. Okay, let's know the opinion of you. Yeah, Ankit, what do you think, brother?
Sir, I think brain, without brain we can't do nothing. Everybody knows without brain we can't do nothing. But we are talking about beauty, so beauty only people can attract. But we can, if we are talking about any exam, any crack, any interview, so firstly most required
Our mind. Mind is required. What do you think, brother?
Sir, brain is very important. So we cannot earn money without mind. We cannot earn money.
Yes.
So firstly needed by brain.
First, brain is required. Yes, what do you think?
Sir, I think beauty is more important, because sir, in the village, someone is going to meet the girl. First off, they will watch the girl, she is beautiful or not.
Yeah.
She will he will not watch that he has studied or not. And sir, he said now we should do the makeup. So
Yeah.
sir, every girl know that. Bhale she has studied or not that, but everyone know.
Yeah.
How can we make up on our face?
Yes. She's saying that even the girls who are talking in favor of mind also apply makeup. Means somehow they know the importance of beauty. Yes. What do you think? What do you think, ma'am?
I think beauty is more important than
Yeah.
brain. If we have sufficient beauty, I can say if I have 80% beauty and 20% brain, then I can manage more effectively than as compared to if I have 80% brain and 20% beauty, because beauty enhance our confidence.
Beauty enhance our confidence. Is it right that beauty enhance our confidence? If we are beautiful, handsome, we will be confident. Is it right?
No, sir. Brain is important because we can achieve something in our life. So our brain is important, not beauty.
Yeah.
So I think brain is important.
Brain is important, but tell me, if God has appeared before you and is offering you two things, the same question I'm asking to you, what would you like to take, beauty or brain?
Sir, brain.
But don't you think you are going to look ugly? People will not like you, whether you are very intelligent, but you will not be liked by others.
Sir, I don't care of people what she and he said.
Yeah.
Sir, I think I select only brain.
You will select only brain because brain is very important. Yes, what do you think?
Sir, I think brain is important because beauty not live long time.
Yeah.
But brain every time brain is important.
Okay. That's why she thinks brain is important. What do you think? Yes.
So in my opinion, brain is better than beauty, because we can see that Albert Einstein, he had no beauty, but he had brain, so he could everything. And sir, we can purchase beauty, but we cannot purchase brain.
We can purchase beauty, but we cannot purchase brain. That's very good. What do you think, brother?
Sir, I think brain is important for
Then beauty.
beauty.
Okay.
Because you have you brain, so you can open your own business.
Yes.
You can
Means
do
to do business, brain is required. Okay, that's good. What do you think?
So according to me, that beauty is very important nowadays. As we can see that there are so many people say they are not having the beauty. So the some people they started to rejecting to them. Now as we can see that like a beggar. So the beggars are not having too much beauty. So the people they started to like a kick them. But still they are having the brain. But nobody listen to them and they don't they don't get the place to show their talent. And as well as now we can see that the people are also not now they are not having too much means they are not having the beauty, so they cannot do any kind of things.
Okay, but don't you think brain is also required?
Yes sir, brain is also required, but now as we can see that the beggar they are also having the brain, but still they are only rejecting by their beauty because they are yes sir.
Okay, you want to say that the beggars are ugly?
No sir, yes
So-
sir, yes sir, because now as we can see that the people they like a beggar one, they are the ugly, but still they are also having the mind, but still they cannot get the platform only because of their beauty.
Okay. Is it right that beauty gives you platform? No. Beauty gives you platform. What do you think?
Yes, beauty gives us a platform because many film stars we see, they have a beauty. We never mind they have a mind or not, but we see his beauty, her beauty.
Exactly. With the help of beauty, they get platform. What do you think?
Sir, thank you, sir. I think that knowledge is brain is more important because sir, the man is making the beauty, not a brain made. Not the beauty, the man will made a beauty from her brain.
Okay.
So, sir, I think that brain is more important because sir, without brain we can't do anything.
Without brain, we can't do anything. If you are going to qualify an exam, we cannot qualify it unless we have brain. Yes. What do you think?
I think beauty and knowledge as well as because you do and give any exam, so you need first of all you need to brain. You have knowledge, so you can crack your exam. Then exam you need to beauty because check your personality and
Okay. That's good. That's the strong point. Yes. What do you think, brother? Yes. Who is that?
Sir, I think my opinion is brain, but you can say so importance your brain. You can say suppose Abraham Lincoln so also is not beauty, so uses for
He became successful with the help of brain.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Krishna, what do you think?
According to me, brain is very important because without brain you can't do anything. And suppose you are a businessman and you have no beauty, so that you have need only mind, and you can with the help of mind, with the help of brain, you can earn lots and lots of money.
Absolutely right. So you all guys have put your views strongly. I would say that it was a nice and healthy discussion. And in the end, I'm going to conclude the topic by saying few lines. That actually, when we talk about beauty, no doubt beauty is given importance, and beauty has its own importance. But the kind of place that the mind has can never be replaced with beauty. Right, because this is 21st century. The days have gone when people used to give much importance to the beauty. If you are having talent, if you are having beautiful mind, you are having good thoughts, you will definitely be attracted truly, right? So somehow the mind has its own importance. All the successful people are successful in their life not because of their beauty. They are successful with the help of their brain, with the help of their talent. Right? Just get the list of all the successful people. You will find the common things in them, that they are very talented. They are having a good soul. They are having a good heart. And that is why they are successful. Right? No doubt beauty has its own importance. Somehow we also give it much importance. But the kind of importance that the brain has can never be replaced, as I have already told you. So everyone, you have spoken very well, and it was really very healthy discussion. I want that you all should clap for yourself.